Hi, in this video I'll share with you how to turn both column into a single column. By that I mean that the wastage value will go into a new column. It's both of them combine and become one column. If there's no value in wastage, then it will take the one in internal use. So, so ultimate goal is to get a single column like this. How to do this in PowerQuery? Let's begin. So first we turn this into an Excel table, and then we go to Data tab, choose from table and range. Okay, so we can X out this apply step. Next, see, the reason is that we want to take a value from a wastage. If there's value here, how do we check that the wastage column has value? We check whether this is not now. So if it's not now, we take the value from wastage. If it's now, we take the value from, like this is now, then we take the value from internal use. So go to add column, choose custom column. And over here, we use the if function, check the column of wastage. This is not now. So such as this row is not now. Then what we do is that we take the value from the wastage. So else is when the value is now, such as this row 4, we take the value from internal use. And finally, we give them a new name called quantity. Click OK. That's it. Now next, if you want to turn this into remove the negative value, you can go over to the transform and go over to this scientific, choose absolute value. It will strike off all the negative value. It's under aesthetic. Okay, so once you done this, you can go to Home tab, choose Close, Close and Load to, choose can load it into a new worksheet or an existing one. So you can remove this, click over here, click OK. There you are. That's it. And that is how easy to combine both column into one. I hope this is useful to you. Thanks for watching.